You can enjoy the holidays and still keep your smile healthy. Just follow these tips so you don't overindulge in cavity-causing sweets and starches. Eat a healthy snack before meals. Help keep hunger away with smile-friendly foods like apples, cheese, and nuts, and you'll be less likely to eat too much at once. Don't linger near the food table. That way you won't be tempted to snack on foods that aren't good for your teeth while you chat. Save room for that special treat. If you do indulge in a holiday favorite like pumpkin pie or fudge, take a small portion and savor it. Then, cut back on other sweets and starches. When you keep your focus on family, friends, and fun, it's easier to keep healthful habits during the holidays and all year long.